In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect a PX150 radar so that you get stop bar detections from the PX150 into an intersection controller. Each PX150 and field interface box is attached to the pole. Attach the short cable from the PX150 to your field interface box. Insert your outdoor rated Ethernet cable into the strain relief here and run it up the pole into the cabinet. Inside the cabinet, it will plug into the PoE injector on the DIN assembly. Install the other PX150 on the caddy-cornered pole, connect the short cable to the field interface box, and run its cable down the pole through the conduit into the traffic cabinet. Here we see a caddy-corner installation with two PX150s. In the traffic cabinet is our DIN rail assembly. It has an AC circuit breaker, a power supply for the unmanaged Ethernet switch, and the SDLC module. It also has a power supply and Ethernet module for each PX150. This installation has two PX150s, so we see two power supplies and two PoE injectors. Another installation may have only one PX150. In that case, you'll only have one power supply and one PoE injector. Another installation may have four PX150s, so in that case we will see four power supplies and PoE injectors, one for each PX150. The cable coming from the PX150 plugs into the top of the PoE injector. The SDLC module connects to the intersection controller with this cable. Connect the logic ground to the screw for the logic ground on the distribution panel. The SDLC module has a reset button and some dip switches for settings. Switch number 2 is for the traffic controller type, ATC versus TS2. The IP address for the SDLC controller is set to 192.168.11.3. Once everything is plugged in, we turn the power on and we look for lights to indicate we've got power. We've got blue lights on the power supplies and a blue light on the SDLC module. The lights on the unmanaged Ethernet switch should light green and flash when communicating with the PX150s. Plug the laptop into the unused port to configure the system.